Hello friends, welcome back to Divya's Leisure Hub. You will be wondering today what I bought for you, isn't it? So I thought today let's plant some green mint. I bought some mint leaves from the market. So I'll show you how to grow these fresh mints in our house. So for that we need the stems. I'll show you how to take it. So this is the mint stem. So when you take, just ensure that it should be thick enough. So what we'll do, we'll remove this bigger leaves and we'll keep the small leaves there as it is. Now can you see? I removed the bigger leaves and the small leaves are there. So I have done the same way for all these things. There are so many stems. So now I'll show you what to do next. So here I have taken a glass of water. Ensure that it should be a glass tumbler, a transparent one through which the sunlight can pass through. And now I'm going to dip all the stems inside the water. So we'll keep this for around 4 to 5 days in the water, and every morning we'll change the water. Now it's been almost 5 days. Every day I change the water, and now you can see there are small roots came. Can you see this white roots? Yes, now it's time to plant in a pot. Now here I have taken a pot of soil. Don't fill completely. I have filled the soil 3/4 of the pot, and it's a mixture of a potting soil and a little bit sand. So now we will just turn the soil well so that enough air goes inside. If you turn the soil well, then the roots will get space to spread and moist the soil very well. Now you can see the mint stem which got the roots. First I'll plant them. The stems which got roots, I have planted them. And now you can see there are few stems which didn't get the roots. But let's see, because for us growing mint, at least 1 or 2 stems gets roots, that's enough. But I don't want to waste them all. Let's try whether they grow or not. So now you can see I just cut the end of the mint stem which didn't get the roots. So these kind of stems, there is 50-50 chances of growing into a new plant, but the one which got the roots, 100% they will grow. So here and another information, this, can you see this place from where the leaf is arising? Yes, this is the place from where the leaf arises, is also known as node. So from the node itself the roots arises, because these plants do not have the seeds, so they grow through their parts, either from stem or roots like that. So mint grows through the stem. So these are the nodes, and the place between the nodes is known as internode. So always try to see that when you cut, it should be close to the node, so that from the node the roots can come down and goes into the soil. So we'll plant this one also, and let's see. Now see friends, I planted all the stems. Now there are few things which we have to take care. Now you can see directly from the water we transfer them into the pot. So first few days, or it's like 4 to 5 days, we'll keep this pot in a shade. Okay, not totally shade, but the place where the sunlight comes very less. And we'll ensure that the soil is moist. Don't make it very soggy, but moist. It should be always water content should be there in the soil, so that the plants can prepare their food and gradually they will grow. Once you see the leaves are fresh and started growing, we will transfer them into a place where the medium sunlight comes. Okay? So before planting the stem, the soil already was moist. So I'm going to just spray them, because if I again pour water, it will become more soggy. So I'm spraying the water before I place this pot outside. Please note, 4 to 5 days in shade. See friends, after 3 weeks my mint plants have grown very well. Now they will multiply themselves, but don't forget to water them every day. I think you got enough information for today. Bye-bye.